All this behind me is PR that I laid out, and I'm going to share it with you guys to shout out the brand, but also I want to give some to you guys. Just like my last video, I'm going to go through the PR and then you comment below and let me know what caught your eye, what you're most interested in. Milk Makeup sent a restock of some products. This is the Hydro Grip Primer. I use this all the time. The Refresh Spray. There's also a travel size Hydro Grip Primer, travel size matte bronze, 2 more lip and cheeks in shade Quirk and Muse. Goodies from Too Faced. Look how pretty this palette is. Elemis sent over a kit that has their Pro Collagen SPF and the cleansing balm. Summer Fridays, you get the jet lag mask, the serum, and the cream. Also comes with this little bag. Kitsch collaborated with Divi. We have the Heatless Curl and a really cute green plaid claw clip. A Cosmetics sent over a couple of products. This one is really cool. It has like a set of 3 of their No Tug eyeshadow stick, a gloss, and the superhero mascara. We got some lippies from Lawless. L'Occitane makes the best hand cream and shower oil, and that's exactly what I got in the mail. I love it so. Also got a cuticle oil gift from Spark. We love these packets. Tarte is so generous. This is everything you're gonna get. Their holiday stuff right there. Some of their blush tapes, their clips, the Maracuja Juicy Lips mascara. Here is Holly's collab with Tarte, and she does such a good job always. It sells out. You get the kit, and she's so cute and sent over like a little buttercream and cake mix. Just in from Origins, this is the Peptide Plumping Apple Cream, and I believe this is the apple peel. Absolutely love Murad. They sent over some products to help with dry and acne prone skin, so if that is you, this will be your go-to. Lots of goodies from First Aid Beauty. This is their holiday kit. How cute. Comes with Ultra Repair Cream, the facial radiance pads. I use this every single day, and their face cleanser. You'll also get more of their Ultra Repair Cream, and then this is their barrier balm. There's also another super cute kit. Moving around to get all the PR, but Olaplex sent over the really cute holiday kit. This one comes with Hair Perfector, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. This one comes with the oil that I love so much too, the bonding oil, and a Bond Smoother. Cute is this from Milk. It's like little surprise products in each of these containers. It's so cute and creative. There's more on this side too. I love Rare Beauty's Comfort line. This is their Awaken Confidence Bouncy Body Cream. Also comes with the fragrance mist. Goodies from Cetaphil, their cleanser and their moisturizing lotion. Look how pretty these shades are. This is Anastasia's Lip Velvet. Lastly, a box from Pixi. The box alone is stunning, but you get 4 different products in here. We love a good snacks PR package. This is from Siete. This is their Cinnamon Crisps, dairy-free Dolce de Leche caramel sauce. Also a cookie mix and like a little cookie cutter. There's Jennifer's little doggy line. We love that she loves dogs. Puppy Love Dog Shampoo, the restorative shampoo and conditioner for our pups. You know what you like. I want to be able to give back to you guys, and I wouldn't be receiving any of this if it wasn't for y'all. Love y'all. Bye.